Cafe. VLC. It just opened up. It is like 7 o'clock in the morning. But look how cute this is. The bridge, the aesthetics is just nice. Definitely delicious. Thank you. And a cappuccino. Okay. I'm not even gonna lie. This is the best coffee I actually had since we've been here. VLC traditional coffee. The topping is like a crispified coconut, caramelized coconut whipped cream, coconut milk on the top of espresso with ice. It's very good.
I kept it classy.
He kept it classy, of course.
Cappuccino.
Yep. And then it looks like some extra espresso on the side. Oh no, that's sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So that was VLC, Cafe and Fast Food. All right.
All right, so my wife and I, we looked up that little cafe, and that was pretty nice. It was very aesthetically pleasing. It was really, really nice. Now with the bridge and the koi pond, the drinks we had, she had an ice shaved coconut thing, and that was pretty good. I enjoyed it. She enjoyed it. I advise you to get cold drinks there. Say less, but that's it. And we ended up going back to the other place that we saw called Madame Sin, and it's a really nice restaurant. We're gonna have some pho for breakfast. As you know, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Yes, and so we're gonna check out and see how the pho comes out. It's actually pretty fancy here, so I'm actually really excited to see how the pho tastes, since we usually always go get our pho from locals. So yeah, we'll check it out and show you guys. Okay, y'all, they brought the food out. Do you see this? This is my first chicken pho since we've been here. Y'all always see us get beef. Yo, I cannot wait to taste the broth. Next to the pizza shop. Did y'all see that? This is one of our 5 top eats in Vietnam, y'all.
So far, one of my tops.
Our tops. Like, yeah, tops and chops. Our tops and chops. You see the caramelized onions. Oh, he got the loaded french fries. Yes!
But I have to turn that fan off.
It's okay. Number 1 in Vietnam.
Number 1?
Number 1. Ooh. Amazing. Hey.
You ready?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. If you don't love cheese, you gotta love cheese now.
Yeah.
That is beautiful.
Okay, that's all.
Come on.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That is gorgeous. And that's the. Let me see your bite. I gotta cut it in. I'm gonna cut it in half. Pop that back on there. And I gotta get savage with it. I'm just cutting it so I can make sure I get me a good bite when I pick it up. There we go. Put that down. Time to get the hands dirty. Whoa. See that? Nice. Still red in the middle. 10 out of 10. He's grabbing up my keys. And my pickles.
No, the cheese. I want to see what it tastes like.
It's good, y'all.
This is the best burger in town.
Number one.
Best burger in Hanoi? No, best burger in Vietnam. Make sure.
Exactly.
Confirmed by them.
Yeah, the best fucking burger in Vietnam.
Of
Number
course.
one. Number one. And we'll be back again because this is our third time here.
And better than at McDonald's. Goodbye McDonald's.
Yeah,
You're the best.
goodbye McDonald's because here come Chops.
Of
Chop,
course.
chop. Yes.
Goodbye.
Come on.
Bye guys.
Bye. You can get one, babe. Let's go ahead for mamas.
I'll get something else. I'll give me a hair tie or something.
Okay, cool.
I'll get something like that for my hair.
Ooh. Sweatband.
Like this.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'll take a flower or something. Oh, yeah.
For my hair tie?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's thick enough for your hair. I'm sorry.
How much?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thôi lấy tiếp tiền.
96. 96. So 100 don't.
Em lấy đi.
Oh, your nails are cute. Yes, they're gorgeous.
Mua cho Tết đi.
Hmm? No, no. All the fresh fruits, y'all. It is a Thursday. Be careful with y'all traffic. What's up, everybody? So it is, I don't know what day it is, but we're on our way to the bowling alley. You know we like to find the most hidden gems of any place. We just don't like to always go to the most touristy places. So we headed to the arcade and to the bowling alley, so let's have some fun.
Hey, who y'all got y'all money on?
Definitely not him.
Hey, who
He
y'all
gonna
got
get his
y'all
ass
money
whooped.
on?
Bye. So the bowling alley is at Vincom Mega Mall. Yo, y'all, a 20-minute ride just turned into an hour, but it was
Because he didn't want to listen to his directions.
because he didn't want to listen to his directions. This is the entire complex. It's cute though, but we need to get inside because it's already getting later and later, and hopefully we even get a spot when we get it up. They have an ice skating rink in here, and we going back, but we finally made it in. The entire mall is like 4 levels down, underground, which is crazy. They got all type of stuff here though. They go to arcade, I'm assuming. Hope it's a little bit bigger than that. And I see the bowling alley to the left. 2 hours later. This is dope. This is dope. Hi, Senchao. Yes, 2. Damn, it could have hit the last one. It could have hit the last one though. Wait, this camera off. I can tell I walked off on my last one. I totally walked off on my last one, y'all. physically and handsome as he is, he whoops my tail as usual. I started off strong, y'all, and then my arthritis kicked in. I was in here looking like Stranger Things with my hand. Not that much. Yo, look at this fucking point. 83,119. Come on. Okay, so connected to the bowling alley, you got a dope ass arcade. Give y'all a nice little peek at this. That's nice. That's $200,000 to play. So $7 to play. Yeah. Yep. Then they got the teddy bear game. My baby loved the coin pusher, no lie. Got some racing games. Oh, these are cute. Huh, Pirate Raid, look like Luffy. Ah, nice. Me and you be on this all day. We ain't playing yet because we gotta save some for later. But this is pretty awesome. It's all connected. And then they got the pool tables right in the middle, y'all. Oh, the little piggy is so cute. What's his name? Do need a friend. Uni. I said, what's his name? Okay, and then you buy your card from over there. I see. Okay. Where you see Tekken at? Oh, snap. Oh, let me, I want to play basketball. It was there though. Should I get one around? Now let's do for one. I'm so determined now. Let me move. I'm so determined. So I gotta go.
Didn't get it.
She keep moving. I gotta get you. That's such a trick. Hey, you gonna try to get the Hello Kitty, y'all. You like the butt, huh? You son of a... Oh, Uni ain't gonna like that. Thank you. I got a kitty. Yes, every time. Time to race and whoop his ass, y'all. Let's go. Y'all see the cars? How it's shaped? I got them. This is so cute. Yeah. Let's go. They got 45 to 65. Yeah. Yo, you guys, they got ice skating. This is why you gotta always come outside. Wait till our next date day. They got a freaking roller rink, y'all. They got a roller rink.
Oh shit, is that a betting cage?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yes, it is.
don't put me in no betting cage now.
This is like the most epic date night place ever,
Don't put
bro.
me in no betting cage.
We definitely didn't come this way. We didn't come this way.
Where you came from?
Oh, wow. Then they got a kids zone, y'all. Kids sooner. Huh? I know, it's people with kids. Okay. I just wanted to see the duck thing. Like, look at this. This is so cute. This is so cute. Amazing. And it's like they got more games over here than what they got over there for the adults. And then you see the little ducky. Nice little water ride. Ah! This is so cute. Oh, the keychains. And we in Hero World. Hey! Oh, I love ice hockey. I never had one of those glasses on ever yet.
Bring what you watching. I think that's what you watching.
Yeah, that's what you're watching. It's Ron Cave. And this one is called Kong Long. Okay. Remember the box. Yeah, it's a Mitsubishi. Oh, that's awesome.
So we had a dope game night / date night at the mall. We went to go bowling, bro, and we haven't went bowling in like a whole year. The last time we went, you guys probably saw it, we were in Da Nang, and that was a whole year ago. So we went back and got the dust off the shoes, you know what I'm saying? Isha got me that first game, but I came back. But our scores, nobody really got that far over 100, bro. And if you know about bowling, bro, you're supposed to at least get like 150. But we still had a good ass time, man. And then after that, we played a couple games, a couple arcade games, racing, and oh, guess what, y'all? Uni got a friend. Yep, won another one for my baby. And then we walked around the mall and it was super tight. Like, man, I've never seen that mall get vlogged before, so we're gonna be the first to do that. But, dude, that's a big mall. And it's the middle of a whole city right there. It's a whole courtyard full of buildings. And what do they call it? Royal City. The name of the place is Royal City. Bro, that was so tight. Where we're staying now is like a good 30-minute ride from here. And we're about like maybe 10 minutes from old quarters. But bro, everything was legit. Man, I can't wait to see y'all the next move.